Oh!
Oh no!
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A little tiebreaker, bud. Matthews, baby.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're out here at the JB Hunt Nature Center in Springdale, Arkansas. We're at their 3D archery range. So I've never been here before, but Chase was saying it's pretty cool. They have this little boardwalk. You kind of walk through and shoot targets as you go.
Yeah, so I've been out here once before. It's right off the interstate. It's totally free to come out here Tuesday through Sunday, sunrise to sunset, anytime you want. There's so many different targets you can shoot at, from Bigfoot to deer to hogs to elk.
Yeah, so it should be a good time. We're going to have a little challenge once Brandon gets here. So we'll go through the whole course, show you all each target, and stick around to the end of the video to see who wins the challenge. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, we're here at Station 1. So we got Bigfoot, coyote, and a wolf or something.
It's a wolf.
So we got those out there. We're gonna do it point system.
Yeah,
so
inner circle is 12, outer 10, and outer than that is 8. Anything else is 0.
Okay, so 10, 12, 8, or 0. Alright, let's get it. We got Chase with the Matthews bow. We got Brandon with the Hoyt. And we got me with the Bowtech. So this will be interesting. We're all shooting very different setups.
18.
So this first one?
Yeah, there.
Yeah. I'm only into 70.
That might get 8.
You definitely got points. Ooh. That might have been a little
Looks
tighter.
like a 10 ringer. Right below me.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's so bright out here, you can barely see anything.
I got 30 again, so.
All right. Well,
30 yards to the wolf.
I think you went through it.
Went through.
You just went through it?
Yeah, there's a hole right there.
Alright, well the wolf had a hole in it, so we're skipping it. We're going straight to Bigfoot now. 63 yards. Chase is up first. Oh, that looked perfect.
That you can't see a thing. I was guessing.
Oh my, you
saw-
were shaking.
I saw the
a
top
lot.
of his head, and that's all I can see.
Y'all are right-handed shooters. Let me just tell you.
Uh-oh. That looks really good from here, though. I'm not
Really?
even gonna lie. Yeah, you're dead center mass. See it, homeboy. Ooh,
Oh.
that looked really
Yeah,
good. That looked
you're right in the
really,
middle.
really good.
Good luck, Michael. Oh, you're low.
Low?
A little.
A little right.
Not bad, but you're low.
It did go right.
Yeah.
I think you skimmed his gut.
Yeah.
Me and Michael got 8.
We both got 8 there.
Yeah.
Brandon got 10.
Brandon's in the 10 ring.
Okay.
I'm not shooting from 60 ever. That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I'll
Brandon's
take
the
it.
one that got points. Brandon got 8.
Brandon got 8.
Yeah.
Oh, we were close.
Yeah. Oh, there's point.
All right, so this is the boardwalk they have, and there's targets all throughout these trees. It's pretty cool. On to station number 2. Oh.
Oh, I didn't change it.
Oh no!
Yes, sir. I was almost a really nice guy and asked him, but never asked the guy that's in the lead.
Oh, dude, you should have. I'd have taken 0, and I could find my damn arrow.
Fair one.
Yeah. There's a ton.
That's perfect.
I'm about caught up to me after this one.
How far was it?
21.
Stacked.
That was close.
That was really close to Robin Hood. Now for the deer.
pistol.
37 to the deer here.
37. Ooh. Low, low.
All right, y'all, this is station 3. As you can see, you got an elk laying down, armadillo, beaver, and a bear. All right, we got 4 new targets at station number 3. First one's at 17 yards. Get it. Ooh. That looks really good.
29.
Bro,
Oh,
that air's gone.
oh my God. That hit the ground and hit at
Now I
the
have-
top of that tree.
Now I have 3 practicing.
You're right on me.
Yeah, I don't know if that's points. Might be a little low. 63 to the elk down
64.
here. 64 to the elk.
That's a big target.
You hit it.
I think I'm in the middle.
You can't be making 12s at 64 yards.
Matthews, baby.
See if Mr. Hoyt can do it.
Ooh.
Where that went?
You hit it.
I don't think you hit it.
Oh, I got it.
What'd we get here?
I was low.
You got a 12.
Yeah.
12.
12.
Oh, I needed that
I
here.
got 8.
Chase.
We got the spreadsheet.
8.
That is a great group.
Yeah.
No, we all got 8.
8.
Brandon.
Oh, no, me and
I
Michael
sailed
got
over
8.
his back.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought I saw 3 arrows.
I'm gonna have to hit like mainly 12s to catch up with the boys.
Yeah.
60 yards. I'm gonna get points.
Yeah.
To be fair, I did only practice like 40, 50, and 60 for my Colorado trip.
Is this yours, Michael?
Yeah. I mean,
Brandon's the only one that got points.
Yes.
Brandon, I would say 10.
Needed that.
Brandon got 10. We didn't get nothing here.
No.
I think I got one too, didn't I?
Brandon, I got 12s right here.
No way.
12s from 64.
No. Oh, I completely whiffed on the vitals there. That's okay.
I needed that.
We're at station 4 now. Looks like there's 4 targets out here. It's definitely no points.
You got 12.
That's definitely points. It's definitely points on that. Yeah, it's money. Ooh!
That's a little high.
A little high, bud.
I was wrong.
Man, you butted.
That was bad. 41 yards to the bear, Brandon.
Yeah, you got. You're either in the 10 or 8.
All right.
A little high, dude. I aimed at the bottom of the belly too. 40 pins just off. You're right there with him.
Right next to Michael.
Michael.
Give me 10. Come on.
Me 8.
Brandon and Chase with 8s.
Oh, bud. I
What
got
we
an
got
8. Y'all got 12.
Me and Brandon got 12.
Chase 8.
Hell yeah. That was the shot I really wanted to be good on this deer.
Brandon may have
See about this bear. I think we got points.
8. Brandon got 10. We both got 8. We almost touched the 10.
Dang, it's close. All right, y'all, we are now headed up to the perch. So let's go up there and see what targets you can shoot from there. Well, this is sweet.
I wish I had an actual blind this big.
Yeah. See everything from up here. So that's where we just came from.
13 to the skunk.
13.
And we got targets down here.
Where's the? I think I see the circle.
13 yards to the skunk. See if Chase can hit it. Yep. Well, so we did skip one section over here just because we're running out of daylight. But, I mean, they have so many targets out here. We can't even shoot them all within, what, 2 hours or something? So, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool spot. All right, we got the buck at 30 now. See if Brandon can hit it. Nice.
Real deer. About right there, though, man. Good shot.
Should be decent. What you got on the skunk?
Both got 10.
Okay.
Brandon got 8.
Sweet. Oh, I got lucky shooting
We were
low.
right in between.
Yeah.
Brandon gets
Oh,
quartered away.
I think that counts.
Is it?
Real question is, does mine count as a 10 or an 8?
You're on the outside.
I don't think it does. Yeah, I don't think it
0
does.
for both of us. That's rough.
12 for Brandon. Uh-oh, buddy. I think you're catching up in the last leg here.
I think so.
I think,
Brandon's vision's getting better.
Look, 0 and 0 for you two.
Yeah.
yeah, on that. I have a feeling both of you guys are ahead of me right now. Fortunately. All of those are
I'm
good
in the
shots.
12 ringer. There's the circle right there.
Chase got 12.
Brandon is on the 10 line. I think if it's touching, that counts.
It counts.
10.
And Michael is in the 10.
All right, y'all, this is the last station. Chase is going for Mr. Rabbit over here. Oh!
Hold it.
Uh-oh, buddy.
27.
27 yards.
That is a small target.
It is. I honestly don't blame you for missing that.
Look for that arrow. Oh.
Mr. Turkey.
27.
27 again.
Fuck y'all, 20.
Nice. Good shot.
A little high.
A little high too, isn't it? Going for the bear, and then we'll tally everything up, see who won. Shot.
Pretty shot. Yeah.
Never saw it.
Mine.
That was right next to yours, I think.
Touched it.
My last words here are, I gave it a shot. This thing has been super fun, and we'll see who wins here in a second. I'm very, very curious to see who wins this.
Who's got their phones? 10, 8, 10, 12, 8, 8, 12.
120.
I got last.
Who was the last one?
Michael was last.
No!
So me and Brandon tied?
I missed it by 4.
Chase and I tied with 124.
Wow.
What do we shoot? There's like hardly any light left.
That was super fun. They got me by 4 points, and then they tied.
Brandon and I are a little tiebreaker, bud.
All right, y'all. We came back to the spot that we skipped earlier, actually, to do this tiebreaker.
What was it?
19.
Brandon's up first, 19 yards. See what he can do. Looks good.
I'm just aiming
gonna be
at the center of
close.
the target, man. I can't even really see the...
Yeah, it's getting really dark out here. It's hard to see. Ooh! Those are both very close.
I believe it. It's gonna be hard to see, so kind of who guesses where the hole is, I guess. I don't even know where it went.
You hit to the right, close to the tail.
Looks good.
Right
There,
next
isn't
to you. Yeah.
All right,
The beaver's
Let's
gonna
go
be
check
the
it.
decider.
let's go check
And it all
it.
depends on where the circle.
I got you on this one.
Oh,
8 right now.
10 to 8. Okay.
10
I'm
to
not
8.
gonna write these down.
I don't know where the circle is, but
Buddy, you might have me on this one. I got 8.
ooh.
You got 10.
So we're tied.
So now it's
Bet you
tied.
0.
Yeah.
Okay, it's zeroed out.
There's a decider, and it might be a tie yet again.
Here's the decider. No, this can't be a tie. There ain't no way. Oh my goodness. You put a flashlight on it? Chase got him. Is that touching?
What do you think? It is so. I don't know if it is.
I think it is.
Is it
I
just
think it is
barely?
right there, yeah. Barely. Yeah, look, he's
Yeah.
literally touching it.
Yeah, you're barely on it. You got me by a millimeter.
Oh my gosh. Chase, what do you have to say? You won.
I'm giving that to Brandon now because on this target, I aimed at his arrow.
Really?
I did.
That's pretty good shooting by all three of us, if I will say.
Hey, that's really fun. Y'all need to come out here and try this place out.
All right, y'all. Well, that was super fun. We had a great time shooting out here. Good little challenge video for you guys. So, y'all definitely come check this out in Springdale if y'all are up anywhere near here. It's really one of the only bow ranges up here, and it's a pretty cool one. So, thanks for tagging along. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.